Hey guys, welcome back to the KOZIAR Performance Tuning YouTube channel. This is episode 8 of the Old Blue Build series. In this episode we are going to cover, again, continuing the teardown and disassembly of the frame and all the components that are still attached to it. So please stick around and stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to jump straight in with removal of the drive shaft, and then we're going to, again, move back and forth between the front and back side of this frame so we can keep the weight distributed across the frame so we don't fall off the lift or have the frame fall off the lift. So just keep that in mind, and here we go. Hold this one. Can you spit on the shaft a little bit? Here, hold this one. I'm gonna spray it. Got it? Yeah. Wait, you said it's not supposed to be, but it is? Okay, then that's it. I'm just playing. I don't need a new one. Maybe I do. What? Need a new one.
Trying to do this thing working. I was just saying it just wouldn't work.
Why ain't it going? Huh?
I didn't take it out. One whole face.
Alright, now, come back here.
Yep.
How do you get it out from back here? You gotta take those bolts up? You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Now I gotta clean those off.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Now you're going to see me working on the rear axle and getting the components disconnected and disassembled off of it so I can remove the rear axle.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game. It's all the same.
that's not how you do that. Anywho, on to the next. All right, after making lots of noises and loud bangs and an injury or two, I think we've made some pretty good progress on this video. So we'll go ahead and end it there, and next episode we will finish off the disassembly of the frame, most likely, and then we'll go from there, and we'll talk more about the truck and future goals. So yeah, so we'll end it there. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and Again, a big, huge thanks for stopping by and checking us out, and we will see you on the next one.